Hello. Have you had a relationship where you have this goal and your other partner has another goal? Don't you think that a husband and wife should have one goal that you will accomplish in life by doing several actions? Like an example, both of you would like to have a business, so both of you should work on it. I have a goal, my husband has another goal, and each one of us respect each other's goal. But there is also one goal that we have to accomplish, and that is to have a very successful marriage and children and business. Now, if your partner is not with you on this goal, say, for example, that you're going to have a happy marriage, successful children, successful business, but he is out there with his friends drinking, what do? Are you going to just put up with it or be a cause because there is a problem? Talk to me and I will show you the way.